gonna blow up? What if I put my pussy in the microwave? Come here. You gotta go in the microwave. Come on! Here we go. We're going to the microwave. Okay, my pussy's going in the microwave. Let's open it. Swear down. Don't touch that cat. Should I start it? Should I start the microwave? My cat's in there. 1 minute. Read it. Anyone want to? Don't do it. Fine, I won't. Come here. Ah! There, I didn't do anything. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Psst. Come on. Don't worry, I didn't put him in the microwave. Actually, I did put him in the microwave. I didn't turn it on. Wait, what? Get the cat out. It is out. Put your phone in. It'll charge to 100% in less than a minute. Bet. Less than 10 seconds. You're a fucking little rat. You're a little rat. Leave the cat alone. I did. He's over there. Put my phone in the microwave? Do I have to turn it on? Do I have to turn the microwave on? Yeah. That's the whole process. Yeah. Yes, it charged it. Okay.